Cheminar, hailing all the way from the municipality of Santa Cruz, province of Ilocos Sur, a graduate of Bachelor of Arts in Political Science of North Luzon, Philippine State College, Candon City. Aanhin mo ang magic sarap kung sa akin mo lamang malalasak ang tunay na sarap. Aanhin mo ang shabu, marijuana at kung ano pang uri ng drugs kung sa akin pa lamang kung sabog ka na. Mga candidates ay nag-iiwan ng nakakatuwang kasabihan. Ako rin po ay nag-iiwan. Anuel, tinapu daw arupa kung ang rupa at tingin ay hindi agpada. Hashtag Rejude Pamon. Thank you and enjoy the show.
Oh my God, Queen Rajesh. Okay, thank you very much. Candidate number 5, Queen Rajesh. Now let's welcome on stage our candidate number 6.